square kid at lunchtime the bitches wouldn't stand around with. I would jack off so much back at my parents' house, and now my dick has a permanent imprint of my hand around it. Life was lame, I had to pay money to fuck a whore. I couldn't pull a damn anorexic bitch in a tug of war. But then I made enough money for me to fund the tour. Now the ladies show me the goodies under they wonder bra. I'm going door to door with foreign swords causing more than war, slaying rappers, commercial or horrorcore. So hold your head, cause I'ma torture yours, leaving morbid sores. I promise you it'll be hard to ignore the gore. Hip-hop's dead, and I'm the lucky savior. I'm kinda mad and I don't wanna pile up the anger. All these no-flow gimmicky ass fired up behaviors with whack beats and gap teeth like Tyler the Creator. Motherfucker, you not dope. So you try to get some attention by cussing and eating a fucking cockroach? And gobbling, you get no props on it. It sucks so much I get blowjobs from it. I been told you niggas I'm real. If you whack and no one's confronted you on your bullshit, then I will. Hate on me, but you can't deny skill. I crush all the momentum that you guys build with my eyes sealed. You faggots got me cussing, and only reason you probably buzzing is cause you slave as an Illuminati puppet. Y'all really on one. Beat it, you're gone done. You think real niggas feeling your shit? Come on, son. I'm the illest and it's faux shizzle. My flow sizzles, your boy hot, go hard like some cold nipples. You niggas are making it so simple. My swag makes the ladies wave like fat stomachs with bold ripples. I know you niggas wish you could prevent it, cause I get bucked like my Kool-Aid got way too much sugar in it. You better run like I'm booger flicking. Homie, I've been good at rapping, now I'm trying to get gooder with it. So I'ma just go beast to bring that West Coast heat, cause I'll be damned if you flex on me. The radio is filled with garbage over techno beats, and all these songs about cash are what we just don't need. Yo, nobody care about how much money you stack. I murder everything I touch, buddy, move back. Got enough guts to soon trash and bust up your fluke act and leave your fans saying, how the fuck does he do that? My ranking is vicious, you thinking it isn't? Come pay me a visit if you feel that you may be offended. Baby, I'm wicked, crazy and sickening with the face of a nimwit. I be calling out names, but I ain't taking attendance. Some bitch was like, how you got me crying? Cause you said I could call you while you out on tour. Shit, and I be trying. I even text you, but you not replying. So when your new shit finally drop, that's one album I will not be buying. With you to Hollywood, and you don't even have 2 minutes. Ever since you got your buzz, you don't know how bad you tripping. You went to that home's house last night, and you said that you didn't. I seen the pic on Facebook, the skank bitch done tagged you in it. I got put on with the beastie flow, not a slut. They wanna bone when they see me, whoa, so I must. I'll take them home, let the wee grow. Then I bust from different strokes like the TV show. See, when I be coming through kicking it raw, niggas like, gee, he's dope. If there's anyone throwing dirt in my name, then you know he'd be toast. For all of you rappers who bringing me drama, homie, please be ghost. The only reason I'm being aggressive is cause we need hope.
Hey yo, how can I fucking love you? Cause you supply the best rhymes. Since your flow is kinda strange, you should sign with Tech9. You design the rec lines. Who am I to just lie? Every single night I play your music right at bedtime. And usually I'm not in a dark dick. I wanna do something freaky enough to win your heart with. I said, what you wanna do? She said, it's simple, Marcus. I wanna blow it before you put it in like a Nintendo cartridge.
Bitch, I'm hotter than a UV ray. Hotter than the thought of Nicki Minaj naked making a booty shake. Hot enough to pull up to your show and steal your groupie date. Hot enough to melt the ice cream that's on Gucci's face. And now you having hot flashes. All the shit that you ever wanted in one MC, hot pass it. Don't rap if you do not practice. I cock, block, whack shit, now get ready for knock madness.